Once again over at Money's Car Stereo, promoting that loud and clear music for all to see. Alpine 400 over here, 2 9s. Let's see what we got going here. Let me see. I know we're in the garage, a little echo, but you get the point here.
Only thing changed about me is my change, and that can fluctuate from time to time. Family's all I got. Yeah. Family. It's all I got, yeah. I hate it when we fight, can't get along. Everybody right, ain't nobody wrong. Got your hands out, but you say you're grown. Still ain't pay me back for that loan. Coming from the soil, from the mud. When your friends treat you better than your blood. Real as hella hate, no love. Really wanna give a bruh a hug. Everybody family got an alky. Everybody got somebody in their family like the same sexuality. Everybody family got some history. Everybody got somebody that been in the penitentiary. I ain't no better than you and you ain't no better than me. Only person I idolize is G.O.D. The devil working overtime workers trying to sneak me when I say my prayer. The Lord is who I worship.
Like I said over here at Money's Car Stereo, we get them in, get them out, keep everybody smiling. Object is 0 comebacks, so we can keep it coming in. Get at me if you needed my services. All right. Today on Money's Car Stereo, got another one. Starting off with the what year Road Glide is this, man?
What's that?
What year Road Glide is this?
07.
07 Road Glide with the extra twist on him, as y'all see down here. Today he didn't want to go all out, but he wanted to go all in. So we hit him with the 2 9s with the clear and crispy, as y'all see up here. So we're gonna give it a listen. His first time down here. Hey man, how did you find Money's Car Stereo, man?
Man, I've been a fan of Big Money since 08.
08.
When I met you in Arizona, man.
Oh, okay.
We chopped it up then, and shit, I'm just now getting out here though.
Okay.
But,
so you've seen my work.
I've been a fan of your work, man. I've been watching you on that video years.
Years, okay. So
I said when I'm ready to do this on my second bike, because my homeboy did my first bike. My partner Scoot, everybody knows Scoot out here.
Yeah.
So I said, well, Big Money's gonna do the second bike.
Okay.
And like we say, we kept it simple. You know, I don't need all that loud. Something crispy, clean, and then it's simple, man.
Okay. Well,
water to Rob, and you hooked it up.
Well, let's give it a debut and let me know what it said. We got some little reggae playing today for you, but let's see what we got here. Here we go. 1, 2, fire 'em up.
Because I love that easy, never turns on right.
Have a seat on that.
I'm trying to change the rules, you deserve something good.
Sit up on that, man. Sit up on that.
We waiting for fun.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Come get your blessings tonight, baby. Won't you come over now, so I can show you love.
So, yeah, a little bit up. Let's go up a little louder. Bring it up.
We don't even need it louder than that.
Don't need it louder than that? Okay. So let's see what we got here. This is another playlist I got here. Hold on. Let me see. What else we got here? Yeah, a little Isaac. Yeah. You said you want this time you listen to, so I adjusted to this. Bring it up a little bit so you can be like. That'll work for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, over here, Money's Car Stereo. I think we got another satisfied customer, y'all.
Representing them silverback gorillas,
So,
man.
where y'all out of, man?
Fresno, baby.
So how many chapters y'all got?
One chapter.
Just y'all one?
One chapter, man. You know what I'm saying? But we from the Bay to Fresno.
Okay.
One chapter.
Well, let me ask you this. Is it a more thing of quality versus quantity?
Always quality.
Always quality.
Always quality.
Okay,
man.
let me see what that patch is like, man, on the back, man.
You know what that patch.
Okay, Silverback Gorillas. Got you.
That patch, man.
All right.
Yeah.
Another version of Money's Car Stereo, and we out. Man.